Hi guys, we are back with number 12 of our 12 Days of Christmas Crafty Countdown. This is the final item. Any guesses of what might be in there, Emmy?
I'm not sure. I would guess Santa, but we just got Santa.
Yeah, so let's go ahead and open it. I'll open this side.
Oh. Here we have our final project, the foam snowman ornament.
Hope you guys enjoyed this mini craft series with my daughter Emmy. We had so much fun. Wishing you all a safe and happy holiday celebration. We'll see you again next time. Bye!